You work hard, you earn big, but the IRS takes a bigger bite than your kids at Christmas. Yeah, let's fix that. I'm Steve McDermott. With over 20 years in the tax game, I've helped thousands legally pay less. And today I'm pulling back the curtain on the same strategies the wealthy use to keep more of their income. These aren't loopholes, they're perfectly legal, underused, and ridiculously effective. I've sat across from six-figure earners that are stressed. They owe $30, $40, $50, maybe even $100,000 to Uncle Sam. And I've shown them how to legally cut that down without shady shortcuts. So whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just got that raise that kicked you into congrats, now you owe more bracket, these tips are for you. Number one, S-corp yourself smart. Pay yourself a reasonable salary, take the rest as a distribution, less self-employment tax, more profits, boom. Pro tip, use Gusto or QuickBooks Payroll. I'm a pro, that's what I use to make sure you stay compliant. Number two, max out retirement and HSAs. You're not just saving for retirement, you're saving on taxes right now. The 401k contribution limit in 2025 is $23,500, but an added benefit is there's bonus contributions allowed over 50 and enhanced catch-up amounts over 60. And with HSAs, you have a triple tax benefit. First, you got pre-tax contributions. You don't pay taxes on those. Second, they grow tax-free, so you have earnings on those. And third, withdrawals are tax-free as long as they're made for qualified expenses. Number three, hire your kids. You got kids over 7, put them on the payroll. Not to mow your lawn, although they should do that for free, but they can help with cleanup, social media, content creation. Their income is tax deductible for you and generally tax-free for them. Number four, the holy grail, real estate and depreciation. Real estate is tax code royalty. You have cash flow, but your property is appreciating, growing in value, but the IRS lets you depreciate it, lower its value. This equals tax shelter magic. And the bonus is we can bring in cost segregation, which allows us to faster depreciate your real estate holdings, which means more deductions, which means more tax-free profit. Number five, use a donor-advised fund, DAF. Want to give to charity and lower your taxes? You front-load donations through DAF. You donate stock, avoid the capital gains, and still support the causes you care about. Number six, travel like a CEO. Client meeting in Miami, that's not a vacation, it's a business expense. If documented right, travel, meals, part of your lodging, all deductible if there's a business purpose, and that's where documentation is key. Number seven, write off that home office. Now I know this is a common one, but many people still think it triggers audits, and that's no longer the case. I mean, today's economy, many people are working from home. We have remote work all over the place. The IRS expects remote setups now. Keep in mind that you can have an office away from home, like that you're renting for your business, but you could also do administrative tasks from home. And that's the one that many people miss, is the administrative task. That's why documentation is really the key. Number eight, tax loss harvesting. So you have those crypto losses or those tank stocks. Now is the time to offset other gains before the year end. And timing matters here. So if you have a really big gain on part of your portfolio, but you have some harvesting you could do on some losses, we can offset those capital gains with those losses. So if you have any questions regarding that, it's a good time to review those losses so that maybe we can offset those gains. Look, the tax code is a book of, if you ask the right questions, you might save some money, but where do you even start? We can help you change that. If you're tired of working harder and paying more, now's the time to act. Hit the link below, book a free consultation with me or one of my tax pros at Financial Liberty Network, and we'll help you put together a plan regarding your situation to save money on your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because the next video is one you definitely don't want to miss.